This is Miss Sebastian. We're going to look at integers. So, drag -3 to its correct place on the number line. Okay, so I'm going to use a highlighter. And if you start at 0, if I go to the negative side, it goes to the left. So I'm going to go -1, -2, -3. And I'll learn that -3 will be right there because you move 3 spots to the left. Okay, -7, so I'm going to do the same thing. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. And you get really quick at this once you get started. Okay, it just says identify the coordinate of the point. Okay, so we're going to look and we're going to say, okay, I'm starting at 0 and I'm going backwards. So I'm going 1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. So I would say that that point is at -8. Okay, this one, we start at 0, -1, -2, -3. So that point is at -3. Okay, on this one, I don't want to start at 0 because I don't even see 0 up here, but I can start and use the same knowledge here and start at -1020, -1021, -1022, -1023. Okay, same thing here. I see 990, so -990. This will be -995, 996, -997. So this will be -998. So it's just like counting on a number line, just remember that the negative numbers are to the left of 0. Okay? Jim gains, if I gain something, I'm adding it, 5 yards on a football play. Which integer represents the situation? So I would put 5 there. Usually math people are lazy, so you don't see the positive sign beside it. So I would just put the whole number 5. The elevation of Death Valley, California is 232 feet below. When I say below, that means it's going to be a negative sea level. So which integer represents that situation? That'd be -232. The rent for an apartment goes down, so that's a negative, by $35 per month. Which integer represents that situation? So if it goes down, it's negative, and the number, -35.